watching Life Online, and we are here at the Hilton Colombo for the grand crowning of Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2014.
Well, first of all, I don't know why we even need to have this pageant because we've got the package right here. This is like all ready for the runway.
Okay, thank you, Rehan.
You're welcome. Anyway, so as you can see, there's a lot of people coming in, and there's 3 other mini titles which are going to be given away today, along with the Miss Universe title. And Hassan's going to tell you a bit more of that.
So we have 3 more mini titles to be given away. One is Miss Tourism International, Miss International Japan, and also Bride of the World.
Once again, all 3 here. All here.
Thank you, Rehan. I'm so flattered.
You should be. I don't pay you compliments that easy, do I? Anyway, so guys, don't go anywhere. Sit back, relax, and this is going to be one fantastic evening. We've just been inside the hall, and it's a very, very interesting setting as well. So don't go anywhere. This is Life Online.
'Cause I'm dreaming of love and desire, and I'm needing like it's last night. 'Cause you set my feelings on fire.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donald.
And my name is Dino, and we're going to be your hosts for the evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this special national event here at the Hilton Colombo. This evening, we are going to crown not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 personalities set to represent Sri Lanka at different international titles around the globe.
Whilst you enjoy the cocktail that Hilton has put together, it's a pleasure to have you all this evening. I must say the ladies look fabulous on and off stage, and gentlemen, you look dashing. Alright, the search for our 4 beauty queens this year took off on a totally different way. We shortlisted over 60 girls using the new medium called the World Wide Web as a platform to find talented, young, spectacular girls who can represent Sri Lanka on the international platform. We shortlisted 60 out of the hundreds of applications that we got using our very supportive Life Online and also MissSriLanka.lk, 2 websites that helped us enormously to assist. 60 became 30, 30 became our top 10, who were judged and narrowed down to as top 4. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome
Aruni Rajapaksa.
Alright, here's a moment that she has been waiting for, I can say. She simply looks gorgeous, all thanks to Michael for putting the outfit together. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause and welcome our first title holder this evening. The winner of Bride of the World Sri Lanka, Fiona De Silva.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fiona De Silva. I'm 24 and at present I'm an undergraduate of the University of London pursuing a law degree. Having won the title and being chosen to represent Sri Lanka in Beijing, China this September at the Bride of the World pageant is a huge honor and such a humbling experience to be at the same time. And I feel so blessed to have received this opportunity. I hope to do our motherland very proud and to be an ambassador that embodies and represents the best of Sri Lanka on an international platform.
Fiona De Silva, ladies and gentlemen, could we give her a big hand, please?
So I'm here with Fiona, who just won Bride of the World and is going to represent Sri Lanka in Beijing, China. How's it going?
It's going good. Thank you.
So what went through your head when you were announced as the winner of Bride of the World?
I was waiting for someone to pinch me because it feels like a dream. I'm still waiting for someone to pinch me.
It's all very, very real.
I know, it's surreal, honestly.
So, what plans how are you going to represent Sri Lanka in Beijing, and what's this training process going to be like?
Well, since we've got this event pretty much out of the way, I have to start tomorrow itself because I'll be the first one leaving, right? Pretty much end of September to the second week of October, so I've got my work cut out for me. I've already spoken to Mr. Lo Ching Wong about giving me Mandarin lessons.
Best person to go to.
I know, right? Thank you.
All right, Fiona, all the best, and we certainly hope you'll do Sri Lanka proud.
I hope so
Take
too.
care.
Thank you. Take care.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the girl who is reigning as Miss Tourism International for Sri Lanka, Iramika Dissanayake.
The winner of Miss Tourism International Sri Lanka 2014, Uddima De Silva.
සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක් වේවා. මම මදම්පගේ උදීනා. මගේ වයස 26යි. වයස අවුරුදු 10ේදී මම ඉතාලියට ගියා. මම එහිදී හොටෙල් කළමනාකරණය පිළිබඳව හදාරමින් ඊට අමතරව ඉතල් මෝදා ජාත්‍යන්තර ඇකඩමියේ වසර 3ක් නිරූපණය පිළිබඳව පාඨමාලාව සම්පූර්ණ කළා. 2012දී මිස් වෙනද තරගාවලියේදී මිස් සිනමා කිරුළ දිනා ගන්නට මට හැකි වුණා. ඉන්පසුව නිවේදිකාවක් වීමටත් සිනමාවට අවතීර්ණ වීමටත් මට අවස්ථාව හිමි වුණා. ඒ සෑම අත්දැකීමක්ම අපතේ නොයවා මා මේ තරගයට අවතීර්ණ වුණේ ශ්‍රී ලංකාව වෙනුවෙන් උපරිම දායකත්වය ලබා දීමටයි.
A big round of applause for our winning girl, Uddima.
We're here with Uddima, who has just won Miss Tourism International. Uddima, how's it feeling for you?
ඇත්තටම කිව්වොතින් ලොකු සතුටක් ඒ වගේම ලොකු ලස්සන බරක් දැන් හිතන්නේ ඉස්සරහට කරන්න ඕන දේ රට වෙනුවෙන්. ඉතින් ඒක වෙනුවෙන් මම රෙඩි වෙනවා දැන් හිත ඇතුලේ. ඒ වගේම හැමෝටම තෑන්ක්ස් කරන්න ඕනේ. අපේ පිටිපස්ස හිටපු හැම දෙනාටම, ඔයගොල්ලන් හැම දෙනාටම thank you. Thank you.
Anit contestants like in a monado at Hitan.
ඇත්තටම කිව්වොතින් කන්ටෙස්ට් වල ගැන කිව්වොතින් ඔක්කොම ලස්සන ගර්ල්ස්ලා හිටියේ. හැම එක එක්කිනාට ආවෙනිකම ලස්සන තිබ්බා. ඉතින් ඒ වුණාට මෙතන ලස්සන වගේම එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් and ඒගොල්ලෝ කොහොමද හැසිරෙන්නේ, තව ගොඩක් এডুকেෂන් ගොඩක් ලෙවල් බලනවානේ. ඉතින් ඒවත් එක්ක බැලුවට පස්සේ මං හිතනවා හරි කියලා.
අපි දැන් වගේ ඇඳුම ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් කතා කරමු.
ඇත්තටම මේ ඇඳුම මට කරලා දුන්නේ යොලාන්දා, මිසස් යොලාන්දා. මං එයාට ගොඩක් ස්තුති කියලා කියන්න ඕනේ. මොකද එයා ගොඩක් මහන්සි වුණා. එයාට ගොඩක් ටුවර් කරන්න තියෙදි මට මේ ඇඳුම කරලා දුන්නා. Thank you.
All the very best for Miss Tourism International, Uddima. Hope to see you soon. Make Sri Lanka proud.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome
Madhusha Mayadurga.
the winner of Miss International Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome Tamara Makalanda.
Hi, my name is Tamara Makalanda. I'm 26 years old. I work as Student Welfare Administrator at the National Council for the Deaf, where I have served for the past 5 years. My passion in life is adding value to the lives of underprivileged children. I'm honored to be crowned as Miss Sri Lanka for Miss International. And to me, it isn't about a crown or a title, but what one chooses to use it for. And I plan on using my crown to give more, love more, and care more than I ever have in the past, and inspire the world to do the same. I have always lived by the belief that true giving is giving to those who can never repay you.
Tamara Makalanda, ladies and gentlemen.
Miss Sri Lanka for Miss International 2014.
Soka Tamara with me, who's just won Miss International and is going to represent Sri Lanka in Japan. How's it going?
Awesome.
I like that. Awesome.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
So, what's the training process like to represent Sri Lanka at Miss International?
Well, I think there's going to be like a lot of speaking, so I want to brush up on my speaking and presentation skills, and so much to go into this because it's on beauty and peace.
FYI, you're doing fine just right now.
Thank you.
So, tell me what went through your head when your name was announced as the winner?
Well, I knew that this was exactly where I needed to be to shine my brightest.
Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause and welcome the reigning Miss Sri Lanka for Miss Universe 2013,
Amanda Ratnayaka.
the winner of Light FM Miss Universe Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome Avanti Marianne Page.
Good evening. My name is Avanti Marianne Page. I'm 24 years old. I've completed a degree in Bachelor of Commerce, majoring in commercial law. I'm passionate about being innovative in design, and I believe I'm a critical thinker. And I do believe this quotation by Steve Jobs. Simplicity is sophistication. This sums up as to who I am. I take great pride in representing my country at an international pageant, and I would like to use this platform to showcase my country as towards its uniqueness, its diversity, and its exquisite beauty. I shall end by using a few words by great poet Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a wood. I took the one less traveled, and that has made all the difference. What I mean by this is where I would use this crown to make a difference in a person's life, in society, and as a country as a whole. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Hi, I'm with Avanti Marianne Page, who has just won the title for Miss Universe Sri Lanka 2014. Avanti, how are you?
Good, good. Just taking in everything that has happened.
What do you think of tonight?
It's fantastic. It's a different concept and everything turned out perfectly.
What are your thoughts for winning this crown?
Well, I want to represent my country in a different manner to kind of show people its uniqueness and its beauty and its diversity. So it would be great to represent my country, and I'm really glad.
What do you think about the other title holders?
Each girl who took part was beautiful, and it was a very tough competition. So I congratulate each and every one of them for winning their titles.
Anything you'd like to say to your fans?
My fans? Well, thank you for everyone who supported me, especially my parents, my family and my friends, and from Brian who designed my dress to Nalini, every single person, Adi Rosita, everyone.
You look absolutely stunning, and we'll see you soon, hopefully, and all the very best for making Sri Lanka proud.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause and welcome our 4 lucky winners this evening. Miss Sri Lanka for Tourism International, Pride of the World, and Miss Universe.
Hand in hand, we'll walk again in wind and rain. There's no way to end, no reason to blame. This feeling's on fire. Me and you, the perfect view. It could be true. We've got love to share, the passion we
So we got the man behind Miss Universe for Miss Sri Lanka. One of the faces behind. Danu, how's it going?
I don't think I'll be a face if it's not for Light FM. So, yeah. And also a big.
But I was telling Hasna earlier, I don't know why we're having this pageant. She has the whole package, like for all three.
Well, I must say, first I'm looking at Hasna, who is part of Life and Life Online. She is a very fabulous looking girl.
I think we should send her.
Definitely, maybe next year.
For sure. Anyway, Danu, so tell us about today's event. It's going to be. I was expecting 10 contestants, but now we're down to 4, and it's just the crowning today. So what's happening?
Today is a very different pageant because we opened it online. We wanted to reach out to the complete country, so we'll get girls who have always come to know about it but didn't know how to exactly reach out and get to the pageant. So this time it has been a great opportunity for us to meet new girls, and we went through so many screenings, and eventually we came up with the fabulous top 10. I think the best part about the top 10, they were so different in so many ways, which made it interesting for us to like put them through all these fun bits. And eventually, I think the 4 most deserving girls won it, but of course the other 6, they're equally talented. But they always say sometimes next day is a good option. I think next day definitely, because now that they have learned so much, next day they could always put it to use.
I know that we know the winners now, but let's not announce it just because we'll keep it for them to figure it out.
I'm here with the beautiful Mandy. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. What did you think of tonight? Well, it was amazing to see all these contestants, and I think it's a great opportunity for all of them. What did you think about our winner tonight, our main winner? Well, she's super tall and she's beautiful, so good luck to her. I hope she wins. Thank you so much, Mandy. I hope to see you soon.
I have the lovely and bubbly Purnima with me. How's it going?
Well, it's great. Yeah, it's the first time I've come for this competition, and it was lovely. It was a really nice experience.
And what do you think? What do you think of it?
Loved it. It was fast and it was nice, and the girls are all beautiful, and not just beautiful, they're all smart, talented.
So, in the future, would you prefer evenings like this, or would you prefer full-on pageants?
Yeah, it's kind of short and sweet. It's kind of wraps up fast, and everyone's entertained. The couches, I think, gave it a very interesting feel. Yeah.
All right.
So,
thank you so much, and enjoy your evening.
Here we have with us our very own Brian. Brian, what did you think of tonight?
I think it was an amazing night because the girls who were selected were really beautiful.
What did you think about Miss Sri Lanka for Miss Universe winner?
Well, I think she has a very good chance of competing internationally, and I hope she would do well for our country.
What did you think about their clothes?
Well, I shouldn't talk about it. I was one of the designers tonight.
Indirectly, I was asking you about your designs.
Okay, let me tell you that I love Camille's design. That's really beautiful. And Tamara made it really more beautiful.
All right. Thank you so much for coming here with us.
Thank you.
So I got the wonderful Fiorina. How's it going?
It's going well.
What do you think of the pageant? What do you think of the girls, actually?
Actually, I thought all of them looked lovely on stage. And I think they've done an amazing organization altogether. It's just...
So I got somebody who needs no introduction to the hair and beauty industry. He's literally a fashion mogul in Sri Lanka. How's it going, Ramsey?
Yeah, okay.
Very nice introduction for you.
Yeah, you know.
What do you think of the show?
It was great, but it was different to other things. Obviously, the girls were chosen. So, to be honest, there was no climax. Like, in the sense, they were chosen, I don't know, like, so it was, of course, there were 5 winners. There were 5 different beauties. But I say the climax is it was different to something else. So it was.
So would you prefer evening like this, or would you prefer the full-on pageant?
A bit of excitement, a pageant. See, to be honest, I don't know. It's my opinion. I know it was done for a very good reason or something. See, I think if they all walk down, the excitement to be known that they are going to be chosen. I don't know. In my opinion, it will create a bit of excitement for them as well. So, but overall, it was good. It's something different.
Thank you very much, Ramsey. Cheers. Bye.
Hand in hand, we'll walk again in wind and rain. There's no way to end, no reason to blame. This feeling's on fire.
Well, I had fun. You did?
I had fun, Rehan. It was really good.
It was a very intimate evening, like a very selected crowd. I liked it. It was very chilled out.
Pretty much.
So as you can see, people are just getting to wish the winners and getting to know them a bit more for those who didn't know them. And they're a fantastic bunch. As you can see from the way we just spoke to them, and they're like really amazing to talk to us now.
They've got beauty and brains. That's all I've got to say.
That's the whole package. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this edition of Life Online. It was fantastic meeting you. We certainly hope to be working together again. And next time, Hasna will be on the ramp, so it'll be just me. All right, guys, thank you so much again. And Rehan and Hasna signing out. Bye.
Bye.